I hope you all are doing good and you all are fit and fine at your homes. So today in this video we are going to learn about the beating retreat ceremony, and this beating retreat ceremony is celebrated on 29th January every year. And this beating retreat ceremony is celebrated at New Delhi's Vijay Chowk, and it will mark the culmination of 73rd Republic Day celebration. This year, in 2022, the beating retreat ceremony will be celebrated today, that is on 29th Jan, and it's a Saturday. Let us learn about the history of beating retreat in India. According to the Ministry of Defense, the ceremony traces its origin to the early 1950s when Major Roberts of Indian Army indigenously developed the unique ceremony to display by the massed bands. Since then, each year on 29 January, the Indian Armed Forces conducted the beating retreat ceremony in the presence of President as the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces. And how this beating ceremony is conducted? Let's learn about that. With the illuminated Rashtrapati Bhavan and Parliament House buildings in its backdrop, the beating retreat ceremony is held at Vijay Chowk. Military bands, pipe, drum bands, burglars, and trumpeters from various army regiments, besides bands from the Navy and Air Force, play an array of tunes, generally with a patriotic fervor. Now, but in this year 2022, some changes are made in the beating retreat ceremony. So let's learn about the changes which we can see this year in the beating retreat. One of the Gandhiji's favorite hymn, Abide With Me, has been dropped this year. A number of new tunes including Kerala, Hind Ki Sena and Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo have been included this year in the beating retreat. Another new attraction will engage the audience this year. A drone show has been organized by a startup Boat Lab Dynamics and supported by Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi, and Department of Science and Technology. The show around will be of 10 minutes duration, involving around 1000 drones fabricated through indigenous technology. Synchronized background music will also be played during the drone show. The ceremony will conclude with the bands marching out to the evergreen tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha, hanging in the late winter evening air of Delhi. But the most important change which is made in the year 2022 in the beating retreat ceremony is that Mahatma Gandhi's favorite hymn Abide With Me, which has been dropped from this year. And this Abide With Me was written by Scottish Anglican poet and hymnologist Henry Francis Lyte in 1847, and it was this Abide With Me hymn was used since 1950, but this year it has been dropped by the song Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo, which is written by Kavi Pradeep to commemorate the supreme sacrifice made by the Indian soldiers during the 1962 Indo-China War. So that's what all about the beating retreat ceremony. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.